Hello, and welcome to Sombrero, an overview. Brought to you by Do Curefake, a sombrero Spanish transl. Hat flipped. Chador is a type of wide-brimmed Mexican men's hat used to shield the face and eyes from the sun. It usually has a high-pointed crown, an extra wide brim broad enough to cast a shadow over the head, neck and shoulders of the wearer that is slightly optionate at the edge, and the chin strap to hold it in place. In Mexico, this hat type is known as a sombrero de charro hat, referring to the traditional Mexican horseman. In Spanish, any wide-brimmed hat may be considered a sombrero. Design. Sombreros, like cowboy hats, were designed in response to the demands of the physical environment. The concept of a broad-brimmed hat worn by a rider on horseback can be seen as far back as the Mongolian horsemen of the 13th century. In hot, sunny climates, hats often have evolved wide brims. The exact origin of the Mexican sombrero is unknown, but it is usually accepted that the hat originated with mestizo cowboys in central Mexico. Although sombrero is usually taken to refer to the traditional Mexican headwear, the term sombrero predates this item of clothing and has been applied to several differing styles of hat. Other types of hats known as sombrero can be found in South America and Spain, including the sombrero colas, sombrero cordobas, and sombrero de catet Spain, sombrero vuelta Colombia. Cultural influence. Many early Texan cowboys adopted the Spanish and Mexican sombrero with its flat crown and wide, flat brim. Also called the poblano, these hats came from Spain. The Mexican variation of the sombrero added an even wider brim and a high, conical crown. These are the hats worn by mariachi musicians and charros. Both types of sombreros usually include a barbecue or chin strap. In the western United States, the sombrero had a high conical or cylindrical crown with a saucer-shaped brim, highly embroidered and made of plush felt. In the Philippines, due to the influence from Spain brought about by the Manila galleon trade, the term has been assimilated into the Tagalog language in the form of sombrero and now refers to any hat from Mexican sombreros as used in the English language to baseball caps of Galaxy Messier 104 is known as the Sombrero Galaxy due to its appearance. Similarly, Tampa Stadium was also known as the Big Sombrero. Thank you for watching a video on sombrero, brought to you by Do Curefake. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.